Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u an Meghalaya House kabadan ha Vellore ka sarkar Meghalaya kla shimmi ka rai bandai thmai no yakane ga yeng hadin baki engineer jangkatnat PWD building kila ai jing kro baka jing tei kala rimpalan bhag bat kamen toishu ban pen bha ne maraman kumshi bentaban bishar bnia eka jinglong jingman jangane ga yeng umentri ka sarkar jilla u bakmi ekatra general administration department GAD Sosthena sotun ulale jurep ya ke Meghalaya House ha Vellore bad pelongru ya ke jingelang bisharnya review meeting ringkat u commissioner and secretary ki officer sarkar ba kinong trai jong ke Meghalaya House hagane ke jingle jurep u menteri ula yo ru ban yekendu ekipat ba ke Meghalaya ki bawan sha Vellore banwat jing smar ha Christian Medical College Vellore ba ki basa ha Meghalaya House Raiman si market bokir riangi hidi nongpang bat ki bahayeng hasem jongki kad kum ki jingtip tang house nem arhajar apsan ke Meghalaya House Vellore kala ai jaka sa ba jingirap hadu arspa khat angut ki nongpang ki bawan na Meghalaya bansha sumar ha CMC Vellore kabapin ishai bakani ka jaka kari ka jingkarku ka bakraw ya ki babun ki longyeng Habakran hadin ka jingjurip uba sostene sotun ulo ong banamar ka jingbam shngan jingka Meghalaya House ka sarkar kala rai banadu ubanay na itong July kan shim wai shipori ka wiga guest house kabaran hajan ka Meghalaya House ban beteng ban ai ka jing shakri ki paid ba ki bawan sha Vellore na ka benta ka jing sumar ulapan ti kanaru bakane ka guest house bala shimwai da ka sarkar kan ai ka ju ka jing shakri ka maju ai da ka Meghalaya House kenthop ya ka jing ai kali ai ban net pen poi ye ki nongpang shaki jaka sumar khem kanu kanu ka jing sihu Shishu Menteri Loong Bakatna General Administration Department kadang ab ika jing menjur ba jing plat pisana ke sarkar naga bentaban sedang no ia ke projek tei thamai ia ke Meghalaya House Vellore hadu bandadep ke jing tei thamai baru ke jing syakri jing ke Meghalaya House on penyat pat ba ling ba ke guest house bala shimwai da ke sarkar Ula banjur baga thong jung ka sarkar ka longman pintikra bagi pat ba ke Meghalaya ki balit sha Vellore na ka benta ke jing sumar kin beteng banyo ia ke jing syakri ka
I think this week in Slanka the radiation, but chemo tablets. Thank you so much, sir. God has done miracles. We are very happy, in fact, because all the staff from Meghalaya House, they are very helpful. And anytime we need them, they are ready to help us. And the room is very cozy for us because we two of us we are here. So like one transportation. Step 8 o'clock or 8:30 if we have to meet the doctor. Tingili the vehicle na ladangidon siyang po hospital. We need to come back by 1 o'clock for one shift. But most of the time, but it is very helpful that they step very helpful hospital. Many staff given visit in hospital. I'm from patients. The service is very good by the staff. I'm so happy to hear that the building can construct the then kanumlong congested. And then if there is a lawn and a garden, okay, very meaningful for the patient can, because sometimes the patient long had to be inside the room. They want to go for a walk outside. So if there is a lawn and a garden, ROSD here, and then company secretary and even from the engineering wing also they have done out in such a way because they are collecting the feedback from the patients and from the from the guests. Okay. So according to that, they are making the plans. It will be more helpful with the inclusion of more rooms. 2-3 times more rooms will be coming out here. Yes. So that will be the master number in Shah. Thank you so much, sir. God bless you.
Someone gave a thing also. They donated some.
Donation. There's no kitchen.
No, someone passed away.
The ship in near of the WD. Bangut.
Okay.
Myself as the minister, along with the officers,
Commissioner Secretary and the OSD and all with the building department and all the staff who are working here in the Meghalaya House below. We are having the inspection. At the same time, we are having a review meeting where we could take certain decisions with regards to the conditions of the Meghalaya House here below. And as you know, Meghalaya House below is a very old building, and the total number of rooms we have approximate 30 number of rooms where patients from our state, from Meghalaya, they used to come for treatment in the CMC Vellore, where many of the patients, and we have also visited some of the patients where they are really happy, getting the accommodation here in the Meghalaya House Vellore, where they are getting the benefits where from this house itself, it has given to the people of our state. And the number of patients, it has increased from one year to another. And in the 2025, we have crossed 212 patients, where patients and attendants, they are really happy to have this Meghalaya House here at Vellore, because maximum of the patients, they used to come for treatment here in Vellore, and the service where the staff who are working here and the service from the rooms which they are getting, the patients, they are really happy with that. And I would also like to thank our Honorable Chief Minister and the government of Meghalaya for providing the transportation also for the patients. And, we have only given the vehicles to ferry to transport the patients in the morning and then coming back in the evening, where they have to go for treatment. And then they are really, they have safe, economically, they have safe, because the vehicles, it's a free of cost, which they can go from the Meghalaya House to Vellore and then coming back. And this is the time where we have to, as the government, we have to take the decision where, according to the report from the engineer, from the building, that the building condition here in Vellore, in Meghalaya House Vellore, the condition is very bad, and we have to take decisions, and we have to hire the new guest house so that we can accommodate the patients who are coming from Shillong, who are coming for treatment here in CMC Vellore. And from next month, we will be shifting. I hope we'll be shifting where we could help patients to stay there in the guest house. And with the decision to shift the patients means like we have to also take the decision to construct the new Meghalaya House here in Vellore, where we are seeking the help of the government from the planning and then the finance, that if we could get the approval for the construction of new building, that will be of more help to the people who are coming for treatment here in Vellore, where the total number of present room we have 13, and then it will be tripling the number of the present room which we are having, which we can accommodate more patients to stay here in the Meghalaya House Vellore.